In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. Connecting Zapier with ChatGPT can open up a new world of automation possibilities for you. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or improve your productivity, this guide will help you set everything up in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Zapier's homepage. You can find it by searching Zapier in your browser or just type in the URL directly. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to look for the App Connections option. It's usually found in the side menu. Click on it, and this will take you to a page where you can manage all of your app connections. It's very straightforward. Now, to create a new connection, you'll need to click on Create Connection. This is typically found at the upper right corner of the Connections page. Once you click on that, a new section will open up where you can start the process of linking ChatGPT. At this point, you'll want to search for ChatGPT. There's a search bar where you can type in its name, and when you do, ChatGPT should pop up in the results. Click on it to proceed. When you click on ChatGPT, you'll see options for setting up the connection. Look for a button that says Add Connection. Don't be shy. Go ahead and click that. This signals to Zapier that you want to link your ChatGPT account. Now comes the exciting part, adding your account. This is where you'll need to authenticate your ChatGPT account with Zapier. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials for ChatGPT, so have that information ready. Just follow the prompts, and once you've entered your details, press Sign In. Zapier will then take a moment to create the connection. Once it's complete, you should see a confirmation that your ChatGPT account is now successfully linked to Zapier. This means you're ready to start creating automated workflows, or ZAPs, that incorporate ChatGPT. And that's it. You've officially connected Zapier with ChatGPT. With this connection in place, you can automate tasks like sending messages, generating text outputs, or integrating with other apps all within your Zapier dashboard. Feel free to experiment with different Zaps to see what works best for you. The possibilities are really endless when it comes to automation, and ChatGPT can help you achieve that in a few clicks. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to connect Zapier with ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy automating!